Hi, I'm James with Yeti Ice Blasting here in Kentucky today, and we're working on a conveyor line that processes bottles of sugar water of all different kinds. Because they're going at such a rate, sometimes they smash. That gets through everything, and as the cardboard is wrapped around them, that cardboard dust, the sugar water, all essentially congeals, and where it's building up, it's wearing out the belts much too quickly. The belts cost thousands to replace, and they also require downtime on the machines. Because we're able to actually clean without that disassembly, we can actually do all of this cleaning, remove the residue, remove the buildup of glues and cardboard dust and that sugar water while the equipment is even still running. Typically, to clean this equipment, everything shuts down. They have to actually lose up to a week of production at a time, and so they're delaying doing this for many months, and by the time they get to do it, they have to disassemble the entire equipment to replace all these belts. Well, cleaning in time and in motion, we're able to see these belts sustained for much, much longer, which also leaves the operating costs down and eliminates that loss of production. The ice blasting process itself does three primary things. You have the impact of a high-speed particle of ice hitting the compound, whatever is building up. You have, secondly, this extreme cold, and that cold actually embrittles and freezes whatever it's touching. And lastly, that ice, as it hits something, it expands up to 800 times, and it lifts that embrittled item off of the substrate. And so we're able to clean in one step and then just sweep up afterwards, even while the equipment is running around us.